Hi everyone, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Blue Lagoon fragrance, and this one is from Nuana House of Luxury. Now recently I purchased around 5 to 6 perfumes from Nuana because I'm super impressed by the first fragrance that I got, which is Vanilla Night, and I reviewed it on my channel. Cannot stop using it and can't get enough of it, and that's when I thought that, you know what, I want to try their range. So I ordered a couple of them and I'm going to share all of my reviews one after the other. Consider this as a Nuana perfume series, if you may. And I'm also going to make a separate playlist so that you can check out all the Nuana fragrances in one playlist. That'll be easier. So I'm going to do that. So stay tuned. There are more videos coming for Nuana fragrances where I will be individually reviewing each fragrance that they have. Today's focus is on Blue Lagoon because summer onset has begun. Especially Hyderabad to बहुत hot हो गया है, and I have started gravitating towards my freshies and clean girl scents and all of that. So this is exactly my vibe right now. So let's get talking about Blue Lagoon. Let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So before I jump into talking about Blue Lagoon, I just wanted to throw some light on what the brand Nuana is about. Nuana, the word itself, is a Sanskrit derivative which means new plus nirvana. They believe in creating these clean and minimal fragrances at an affordable price. So basically the concept of affordable luxury. So in today's era, most of the fragrances that we get have very harsh chemicals on it, which are not very skin friendly, and they basically are there to boost the longevity and performance of the perfumes, but they are very harsh and very harmful for us. Nuana comes up with these clean, minimal fragrances where they are free of those harmful chemicals. They are free of phthalates, parabens, artificial dyes, and artificial colorants. So they are clean, they are minimal, they are affordable, yet they smell luxurious. And here's the best part, all of these fragrances are macerated for at least 4 to 5 weeks. So they ensure that you're getting a good, well macerated fragrance here. Their fragrances are available at www.nuanaluxury.com. They're also available in Amazon. I'll leave all the links to their fragrances in the description box below. So let's get to the fun part. We'll talk about the packaging now. This comes in a black box, which is quite matte, with all the details in rose gold, as you see here. And as I shift the box, you can see how shiny it looks. The name of the variant is present here as a sticker. And this is how the overall box is. Behind you have all the manufacturing details and pricing and everything. Then when you open the box, this is another reusable tin box that you get here, which you can use for storage and storing other things apart from perfume if you like to keep your perfumes outside. I basically gave this to my daughter and she kept sketch pens. So this is how the tin box is. It's a nice idea of giving a reusable box. And then you have a thank you card with some more details present. I'm definitely going to use this card as a perfume strip to spray and show you how it spritz. Now this is how the perfume bottle is. It's a very basic and a minimal bottle design but looks super classy. It's a see-through bottle. You can see the juice color right here. The sticker is again a matte black with rose gold details. Variant mentioned here. Then on the rim, this has this beautiful textured pattern. Looks like a finger ring, which is super gorgeous. And then you have a textured cap right here. Once you open it, the atomizer is golden in color. And let me show you how the atomizer works. So the sprayer is nice and diffuses the product really well. Now the moment you spray this one, it just has such a nice clean girl vibe to it. It's like freshness on your face, that zesty kick, that aquatic marine coastal air. It feels like just waking up and splashing cold water on your warm skin. It feels like a moment after the shower, where everything is reset, everything is starting. You're starting a new fresh day with a new fresh vibe. It literally is that in a bottle. This one opens up with bright citruses notes like lime, lemon, bergamot, neroli, orange. Then has some light florals and aromatic accents of jasmine, cologne, which gives an aquatic hint, freesia, hyacinth, cyclamen, peach, violet, rose, and some rosemary, coriander, and nutmeg. And then has a clean and warm dry down of white musk, cedar, patchouli, oak moss, and amber. So you can see how many layers of perfume notes are present in this. Like, it feels like a very complicated fragrance, but when you spray this one on your skin and on your clothes, it literally feels like resetting your day and having a fresh start. So from the notes breakdown, you know that this starts with a very nice citrusy kick, then has a very nice, comforting, easy, airy, breezy, cooling kind of a situation where you can literally feel like that coastal air hitting on your face, waking your senses up. And then it has like this woodiness which feels very warm and feels very comforting and also feels very smooth, clean, and effortless. Let's talk about the performance on this one. This gives me around 6 to 7 hours of longevity. The projection and sillage on this one is moderate to mild. Keep in mind that whenever you're using freshy fragrances, these are not very projective kind of fragrances, and this is no exception. It gives a good scent bubble around me and kind of projects in soft wisp throughout the day, but it's not like the most projective or a banger kind of a fragrance. It has a moderate projection which keeps you feeling fresh, and those soft wisps come throughout the day, which I love the most with this fragrance. These are the kind of fragrances which are best suited in gym sessions, Pilates sessions, office wear, casual meeting, lunch and brunches, and almost throughout the year you can wear it during daytime. I find this to be a perfect unisex fragrance because it just has the right balance of aquatic and freshness meeting some spiciness and some floral nuances. There is no sweetness in this whatsoever, so keep that in mind. If you love freshies but you want sweet freshies, this may not be your cup of tea. Overall, I am loving the clean girl vibe that this one gives. I'm loving how appropriate it is for summers. And 100 ml bottle is priced for 2000 rupees, but it is currently at 40% off and you can get it at almost 1200. It's available at nuanaluxury.com, also available at Amazon. I think this is one of the best ones to grab during summers, and that is why I just wanted to start the Nuana perfume series with this one. I find this in the realm of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue or Acqua di Gio by Armani. It just has that vibe going on. I wouldn't call it a dupe situation at all. Maybe like a distant cousin is what I'll say. If you are familiar with Acqua di Gio scent profile, you may find some similarities and likability in this fragrance. Overall, I'm loving the freshy vibe that this one has, and this gets a whooping 9 out of 10. Love the quality, love the quantity, love the pricing, and this is exactly what I would call affordable luxury. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If you did, hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.